Okay, looking at a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. 18-inch wheels, which comes standard on your Z71 package. Z71 four-wheel drive. Laser blue, metallic in color. It has the running boards, which is standard on your Z71 package. This package does come with leather, power seat. It has heated seats along with memory seats, power folding mirrors, power windows, locks and mirrors, daytime running lights, fog lights, four-wheel drive. Have your leather wrapped steering wheel with your cruise control. You also have Bluetooth for your cell phone and radio controls on the steering wheel. You're also going to have power adjustable pedals, rear parking assist and traction control. Climate control is digital. You also have CD player with an iPod hookup, things like that. Your instrument cluster, it's special to this truck. It is a Z71, so it's a little bit different. It also comes with Bose stereo, which is going to be standard on this vehicle. Comes equipped with trailer package, backup sensors, flex fuel capable. Once again, Imperial Blue Chevrolet Avalanche 2010. More aggressive front end. And I also forgot that this vehicle does come with a sunroof as well. Now this is not the wood grain interior, this is the steel interior. Wood grain can be installed on any vehicle.